Hello everyone. For today, I will be explaining about commands that can be used in the terminal. Okay, so the first one is the pwd command. The pw command is stand for print working directory. It is used in the terminal to display the full path of the directory you are currently working in. This command helps users know their exact location within the file system, especially when navigating through multiple folders. For example, when I type pwd and press enter, it will show something like this: home, my name, the username, and desktop, meaning that I am inside the desktop folder. It is a simple but important command for keeping track of where you are while working with files and directories in the command line. Okay, so for the next command is ls command. When you type ls and press enter, you can see what directory you have and what folder you have right now currently. But if you want a more detailed one, you can type lsl. lsl command in the terminal is used to list files and directories in a detailed format. When you run this command, it displays important information about each file and folder, such as permission. This is the permission, number of links, owner name, group name, file size, and the date and time it was last modified. Even though it's not exactly accurate, but that's okay. For example, instead of just showing file's name like this, it gives a complete overview of the file details, helping user understand who owns the file, whether it's readable or writable, and when it was last changed. This command is very useful for managing files and checking permissions in Linux or Unix-based system. So for the third command is the mkdir command. It stands for make directory and is used in the terminal to create new folders or directories in the file system. This command helps users organize their files by allowing them to create separate directories for different purposes. For example, when I type mkdir my own name, it will create a new folder in the current directory. I can also create multiple directories at once, like this. Click files and click the folder, and as you can see, I've already made one, which is just click the folder and right click new folder and just type a new folder like this and create. So basically now I have multiple directory in one folder. Okay, so for the next command is the cd command. The cd command stands for change directory and it's used in the terminal to navigate between different folders or directories in the file system. It allows users to move from their current working directory to another location. For example, when I type cd documents, it will take me to the document folder, while when I type only cd, it will move me back one level back to the previous directory. I can also use absolute path or related path to go directly to a specific location. The cd command is one of the most commonly used commands in Linux or Unix system because I think it helps users efficiently explore and manage their files and directories through the terminal. And for the last one is the cat command. It is used in the terminal to display the content of a file directly on the screen. It's one of the simplest and most commonly used commands in Linux or Unix system for quickly viewing text file without opening a text editor. For example, when I type cat and a file that I want to open, it will show the details about the file without me doing extra work. Besides just viewing files, command can also be used to combine multiple files into one, or even create new files by typing text and saving it with a file name. Overall, the cat command is a fast, convenient tool for reading, joining, and managing text files right from the terminal. As you can see, this is the detail.